So, welcome to weekly stream on Off the Charts, and Luke is here. So, we'll do a quick run up of the Bitcoin and we'll see what's happening. So let's go into it. Let's remove this fibs. Okay, so we have this is the CME chart, the futures one, and I think this is a really relative chart to monitor now. Why? Because of these gaps and because liquidity zones and similar stuff. So I will go, let's just remove this volume here. Okay, so we have the fibs from bottom to top from the last wave, and let's do a quick count. I can count here like 1 2. Let's say this is a 3. Okay, this is a 4, and this was like the fifth wave. And then we had a lower high. We had lower highs here, but you see we hit this support and then we started to go up. Now we had a lower high and we're still hitting support, but until we flip the 236 fib, we're in a downtrend. So if we take it reverse to here, you see when we flip the 236, the next wave, the fifth one, was confirmed here on this breakout. So the same stuff goes for here until we can flip 28k. You see PA tried lower high and now we're going down. So we need to have after 5, so that confirms the end of the fifth wave, this test and the lower high. So now we know we're definitely correcting, and we have this CME gap open at 20 to 21k. So that's something I'm looking at. So I would confidently now say this was the A wave, okay, and this is a B wave here. So B wave, let's say, was this. Now C wave should ideally come to here. Okay, we have a horizontal support, the golden pocket, and the CME gap that needs to be closed. So that's a pretty big down play from here, 20%. Okay, so we could even come with the C wave to there, okay, but that part would be like more or less maybes. So I think we need to see, but in my opinion, if 25.6 closes, turns to resistance, then we're looking at 20k for sure. Now let's check out the chart that I'm looking at for a while now, and that will be this Bitstamp on the 4 hour. I go from it a lot. So we have this sideways price action, we have these daily supports, and then we have the 20k CME gap. So in my opinion, the ideal short that was discussed, distribution pattern, was here. Then we had the weekend liquidity sweep there from this sideways price action from the early shorters to come out, dumped. Now it's kind of bouncing until 26.5 turns to support. We're looking at least 24.8, 24.9 level, and then we'll see what happens and if we move down to the CME gap. So that's my opinion in a nutshell. And what I'm looking at is some coins. Oops, I have them there. I was looking at Link, as one of our members asked to it, and it is looking pretty good, yeah, here. So it's playing these fibs, and we have this daily channel that's going sideways, and this looks like a really good daily candle. Let's check out some of this, but we see there's this band, but and lots of support under it. So in my opinion, let's see what the VPR says. Yeah, we got decent resistance at 7.4 until this channel is flipped to support, you see. So until PA does something like that, holds here, I would go away from longs. I would even look for shorts in this area here. and I would look for longs on a pullback down to this area, or even if these shorts make it, ideal long would be if something like this happens again there, then that would be a good channel trade on a higher time frame. So that's linked there. I have a lot in the list. I will not go over. We'll stick into Bitcoin. It's pretty simple for me. So the idea is if we can flip 26.5, I'd say maybe go long. But if we reject again anywhere from here, there, a strong move, a really strong move up to 27ish here, this area, and a rejection will be another ideal entry for a short to the downside. Okay, I hope you found this info valuable, and we'll catch it more in the Discord. It's pretty simple for me, so patience is key. Overall, if we get the C wave dump, I would say it's worth loading up longs for a potential bull run in a couple of months. So that's what we're aiming for. We're taking patiently, waiting for it, and just saving our tether, maybe doing small trades, but waiting for the big move to come at mid fall, start of winter, hopefully, and to run until end of winter. That would be amazing. So fingers crossed, and let's catch up. Thanks for joining, guys.